How to redeem Barnes& Noble gift card. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can redeem Barnes& Noble gift card. For this, open up any browser and head over to barnesandnoble.com. Here, make sure to log into your account. Once you have been logged in, you want to explore the website. Then find the item that you want to purchase. Now, tap on the option of Add to Cart. You can tap on Continue Shopping if you still want to purchase more items, or tap on View Shopping Cart in order to check out. Now all of your items on your shopping cart will be visible over here. Simply tap on the option of Continue to check out. Now in order to complete your checkout process, you will have to enter your shipping address, then enter your payment details. Now if you scroll down, you can review your order. As you can see, the estimated total is given over here. If you have a Barnes & Noble gift card, you can redeem that as well. For that, tap on the Apply B&N gift card. Once you tap on this plus icon, you can enter your card number on this box. Then on the second box, enter your PIN. Make sure that you enter all the details correctly. Now tap on the option of Apply. If the details you have entered is correct, your gift card will be applied. Additionally, you also have the option to apply coupon code or book fare ID. Once all the steps have been completed, tap on the Submit Order option and your order will be placed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.